Hey guys, so here's an update on the fan display. They have a new fan set up here. There's a fan here, this fan there, there's a fan here, there's a fan there, and there's a fan right there. There's a fan here, there's a fan right there, there's a fan over here, and this fan right there, and this fan is running, and there's a new fan, and this fan right here, and this fan over there. Well, actually, I should film more fan display. And this fan right here, this fan here, there's a new fan right there, and there's this fan there. There's an 8-bladed fan right here. And this fan right here. And looks like a Hampton Bay industrial. And there's a new small bladed fan. And this fan right here. And this fan right here. And this fan here. Right there, and this fan right here, and then there's a gold line right there. I already filmed that one, so, and there's another gold line way down there. There's more gold lines right there, so yeah, and there's more gold lines right there, more gold lines right there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.